The Boeing 747, also known as the Queen of the Skies, is an iconic airplane that has been a mainstay of the aviation industry for over 50 years. Its distinctive hump and 4 engines make it instantly recognizable, and its spacious cabin and luxurious amenities have made it a favorite among passengers and crew alike. The 747's range and capacity are unparalleled, and its ability to fly long distances has made it a popular choice for transatlantic and trans-Pacific flights. And with its proven track record of safety and reliability, the Queen of the Skies has earned its place in aviation history as one of the most impressive and enduring airplanes ever built. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the experience of flying in this legendary airplane.